Hello viewers, in this video I will show you how to fix hotspot automatically disconnect problem or automatically turn off problem on Android. If you want to solve this problem, please follow the step. Step 1. Open your phone setting. Scroll down. Tap on connection and sharing. Scroll down. Tap on reset Wi-Fi mobile network and Bluetooth connection. Reset your connection. Tap on reset. Step 2. Tap on about phone setting and update your phone latest version. Step 3. Again open your phone setting. Tap on portable hotspot. Turn on portable hotspot connection and you make sure turn off hotspot automatically when no device are connected. This option is off. You can turn off hotspot automatically when no device are connected. You can turn off this option and you can solve this problem. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.